lot of you have been thinking about trying this. You can go on to Strap Warehouse and get it right now. Hi, I'm Marlin from the Strap Warehouse. This morning I want to introduce to you the new Beta adjustable webbing. We have it up on the website already. You may have already seen it. It is the most flexible coating that BioThane has come out with to date. It's made with a B07 webbing, and it has these little beads on the edge which make it slide through the hardware much easier, which makes it adjust just very, very easy and very smooth. We have it in 7 different colors and 2 different widths in 1 inch and 3/4 inch. It has a brake strength of 700 pounds per inch of width. You can get as little as 25 feet just to try it. And while you're there, take a look at the hardware. We have the black hardware, we have the side release buckles. We have these side release buckles with the PETS logo on and without that. You probably already have Beta super heavy collars and possibly standard as well. Why not increase your line with an adjustable collar? You can get it all at the Strap Warehouse. And remember, better is possible.